In Kendall's warm, sunny climate, keeping your home cool and comfortable can be a challenge. With high temperatures and humidity for much of the year, your air conditioning system works hard to maintain a pleasant indoor environment. While windows often get the most attention when it comes to energy efficiency, your entry door plays an equally important role. Upgrading to an energy-efficient entry door is one of the smartest investments Kendall homeowners can make. Not only does it enhance curb appeal, but it also improves comfort, reduces energy waste, and supports long-term savings. Why your entry door matters. Your front door is more than just a welcoming feature, it's part of your home's thermal envelope. If your current door is outdated, warped, or poorly sealed, it may allow cool air to escape and hot air to enter. Common signs of an inefficient door include drafts near the entryway, visible gaps around the frame, difficulty closing or latching properly, rising cooling costs in Kendall's heat. Even small air leaks can make a noticeable difference in your indoor comfort and monthly energy bills. Insulated cores for better temperature control. Modern energy-efficient entry doors are built with insulated cores, typically made of polyurethane foam. This high-performance insulation helps reduce heat transfer between the outdoors and your interior living space. Fiberglass and steel entry doors are especially popular in Kendall because they combine durability with excellent insulation. During hot summer months, these doors help block outdoor heat from penetrating your home. The result is a more consistent indoor temperature and reduced strain on your HVAC system. Advanced weather stripping and seals. Energy efficiency isn't just about the door slab itself, it's also about how well it seals. Today's entry doors are designed with advanced weather stripping systems and tight compression seals. When the door is closed, it forms a secure barrier that minimizes air leakage. Professional installation ensures that the frame is properly aligned and insulated, eliminating hidden gaps where air could escape. This attention to detail is especially important in Kendall's humid climate, where both heat and moisture control matter. Energy-efficient glass options. If you prefer an entry door with decorative or full-length glass panels, you don't have to sacrifice efficiency. Modern energy-efficient glass options include double-pane construction, insulating gas fills, and low-E coatings. Low-E glass reflects infrared heat while allowing natural light to brighten your interior. This is particularly beneficial in Kendall, where abundant sunshine can otherwise increase indoor temperatures. You can enjoy a bright, welcoming entrance without compromising cooling performance. Moisture and humidity resistance. Kendall's humidity levels can take a toll on certain materials. Traditional wood doors may swell, warp, or require frequent refinishing in humid conditions. Fiberglass entry doors offer the appearance of wood without the maintenance challenges. They resist moisture absorption and maintain their shape over time, ensuring consistent sealing and long-term durability. Long-term savings and value. An energy-efficient entry door helps reduce cooling costs by minimizing heat transfer and preventing air leaks. Over time, these savings can offset the initial investment. In addition, energy-efficient upgrades are attractive to potential buyers. A modern, well-insulated entry door enhances curb appeal while signaling that the home is designed for comfort and efficiency. A smart upgrade for Kendall. Living in a climate where cooling is essential, every component of your home's exterior matters. Energy-efficient entry doors provide improved insulation, tighter seals, and durable materials built to withstand Kendall's heat and humidity. If you're looking to boost comfort, lower energy waste, and enhance the appearance of your home, upgrading your entry door is a practical step with lasting benefits. It's not just about style, it's about smarter, more efficient living in Kendall.